Hey everyone, thank you so much for joining in. Guys, in this video, we will understand how to redirect your old URL to your new URL in your WordPress website. Now, this process of redirection, let's understand why is it required. So let's say you had a page on your WordPress website and for whatever reason it was deleted or now it is no longer needed, right? And you want users, like for example, if you earlier had a page, let's say old page for example, and you have shared this page over email, over WhatsApp, over messages, or maybe this page is ranking in the Google search results. But now, since you have changed the content or maybe this page is no longer needed, you want to redirect all the users which were coming on that page to some other page of your website. Now, the question arises, why the redirection is necessary? I mean, if somebody is visiting that page and if we have deleted that or maybe if we have removed that, what will happen? In that case, let's say if this is my website and I want to try a page which is no longer needed or there on the website. In that case, the user will see this kind of error. This page doesn't seem to exist. It means this is called as 404 error. The page not found or the content that you were looking for is not there. In that case, if you are not redirecting this page to some existing page or maybe some contentful page, then it is a bad practice for a website who is trying to get more and more visitors. Because if your visitor is watching this page and is not able to understand what to do next, then what he will simply do, he will simply bounce back from your website and will simply go to another website. So indirectly, you are losing visitors, customers, maybe your future clients, prospect, you are losing your revenue or business, right? So nobody wants, even if you are a business owner, you will definitely not willing to lose customers or lose visitors which are coming onto your website. So in order to save those visitors, so in order to retain those visitors, what you need to do is you need to just redirect the old URL to the new one. And how to do that in WordPress? 3 simple steps. Step 1, you need to install a plugin. So we'll go to add new plugin and we will simply install for redirection. We will simply search for redirection. So there is a plugin which helps you to redirect your old URL to the new one. So here it is, redirection by John. 2 million plus active installation. You just need to click on install now, and once the installation is finished, you need to activate it. So let's wait till the time the installation is in progress. And guys, if you haven't watched my previous videos regarding WordPress, how to add WhatsApp chat icon, how to add call icon, then you can simply follow the entire WordPress series by clicking on the link given in the description or maybe by clicking on the link given in the I button. So installation is completed. Now let's click on activate. Now this is the first step, through install and activate the plugin. Second step is to add the redirection. So how to add the redirection? Once this plugin is installed, you will go to the setting of this plugin, that is here. And as soon as you click on the setting, first time a welcome screen or introduction screen will be there. So you can just click on start setup. You can just checkbox all these things. Continue, finish setup, and it will take a couple of seconds to do some basic steps. And once it is done, you will see this screen, right? So this is the actual setting screen of this plugin. Now what we need to do is we need to click on redirects in order to redirect the old URL to the new URL. Now for your understanding, what I have done is I have created a page. I have created page named as old page. So let me visit this page first. So right now it is only having a text that is old page. Now if I am visiting this page, no 404 error or this page doesn't exist, no such error is there. The page is properly opening with the content that it has. Now let's say if I delete it for whatsoever reasons, right? And if I now try to visit this page, now the error comes because now this page is no longer there on the website. I need to redirect this. So I will just copy this URL, entire URL, go to the website, go to the settings of the plugin, that is from here. So tools and redirection. And now here I need to add a redirection. So I will click on add new. Source URL means the old URL. So I will paste the old URL here. I will keep this as it is, exact match in any order. Target URL. Now, since I want to redirect them on my home page, so I will just copy the home page URL, go back here and paste it here. So I have pasted the target URL as well and group redirection by default as it is. Now I just need to click on add redirect and you can see that a redirection is added. If you want to check if it is working or not, you will click on check redirect and it will show you if it is working properly or not. So it says page was loaded, it is properly working. Even if you want to check it manually, what you need to do is you just need to click on the old URL. So we will just simply say old page. So this was the URL. Now as soon as I press enter and this page loads, let's see what happens. This page is getting redirected on the home page. It means now I am not able to see that error that this page doesn't exist. That is no longer needed, or that is no more, available on the website. Now, if as soon as I click on that URL, I am redirected to the home page. So at least I am not in a confusing state, right? Where I am clueless what to do next or what to proceed next, how to proceed next. And that's why I am just bouncing back from the website. So in this case, the redirection is successfully added and I am able to see the content on the website. So this was the process how to add the redirection. Now the question comes, let's say if you have multiple URLs, not just single one. If you have multiple URLs, in that case, how you will, redirect the old URLs to the new URLs at once. So there is an option called import export. So just click on this and here you can simply create a CSV file with some format that I will show you just now. So this is the format of CSV file. So in column A, I have mentioned source URL, I mean the old URL which needs to be redirected. And in the second column, I have mentioned target URL, I mean the new URLs on which I need to redirect the URLs. So what you need to do is you need to just copy the old URLs. Let's say in my case, this was old page. So I'll just, copy this URL. I am telling you the format, right? So copy, I can paste it here. I can paste it here and I can also paste the target URL. So in target URL, I just need to add home page, right? Similarly, you can add multiple URLs like 50, 100, 200, 1000, how many URLs you have, you can add them at once. So let me first delete this redirection, which we have already created so that we can check whether this import export process works or not, right? So now we don't have any redirects. We have a sheet in which we have one URL. You can have multiple URLs as well. So just download it in the CSV format. The same exercise you can do with your Excel as well. You can do with your number application as well, right? There is no need to do it only with the Google spreadsheet. Now, as soon as our file is downloaded, we'll go to import export. We'll click on add file. We will select this file and we will click on upload. Since we have URL, so you can say total imports to the header one and the URL. Let's go to redirects and we can see the redirect. So that's how you can also import and export multiple URLs at once and you can make them redirect. And how to check? Just clicking on this button if they are working fine or not. 2000 page was loaded, it means it is perfectly fine. So that's how you can redirect your old URLs to the new URLs either one by one or in bulk. Both the process I have explained. So that's it for this video. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, you know the drill. You have to like this video, subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends and family who want to learn this WordPress series or who want to learn WordPress as a skill.